Hello, how are we all doing? I hope everyone is really good. I've just come on today to launch our Christmas boxes. So a lot of you have already pre-ordered and they are on their way to you, or you've been to collect them and you're just about to open them and get your hands on the goodies. We have got some more in stock, so I've ordered lots of extras because I know not everybody was aware about the pre-order, so we've got lots for you to purchase. If you want to get your hands on one, there is still time. We're also going to have a launch event because some of the Christmas boxes are being launched in November, so to coincide with that we've decided to have an evening which is going to be on Zoom. So you will get an invite if you're one of the Ask and Gym members. You'll get an email all about this, which is going to be the first Friday in November, and this event is really, we're going to call it facials, fizz and fun. So it's all going to be about how to get the best from your Christmas boxes. If you already have one on hand, you can do a facial along with us, or if you're just wanting to have a little bit of a peek and see if you want one of the Christmas boxes, if you're new to the products, you can have a little look and see what it's all about. We'll be doing a Q&A so you can ask away any questions. We'll be giving you lots of extra hints and tips about how to use the products in the best way, and we're going to be launching our exclusive Skin Gym Christmas set, and there'll be some offers and prizes on the evening as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that. So let's get started and show you what the Christmas boxes look like this year. So the first up we have the biggest one, which is the Skin EssentiA, the healthy skin set, which is beautifully presented. As always, Environ always knows how to do just an amazing gift. Now I think most people probably do buy them for themselves, but they are beautiful if you're buying them for a present, or you can even keep the box. So with this one, your microphone just popped the form out of it. But in here, you purchase your cleanser, which is customizable. So traditionally, it is normally the low foam cleanser or the mild cleansing lotion. But if you want to swap it for one of the other cleansers, we can absolutely do that. So just drop us a message if you would rather, or get in touch. We also have the moisturising toner, which again, if you want to swap that toner for one of the other ones, we can absolutely do that. So this, a lot of people don't use toners, and they often sort of think, oh, do I really need a toner? I've used them before and they're quite stripping. A toner, it almost should change its name really and be more of a treatment or a spritz, because this toner, even though it's not in a spray, it's a treatment for the skin because it contains penetrant enhancers, so your products get drawn into the skin better, but also it contains ingredients like lactic acid to help give mild exfoliation, so it helps to improve the texture, the smoothness of the skin. You can choose, this has just fallen out, your ADST level. So if you're not sure which level you need, get in touch and I'll let you know if we're ready to step up, or maybe you're not sure if you need to stay on the same level. So this is your ADST moisturiser, which I just dropped out. Your Vitapeptide eye gel, which is one of our most popular products. So this, if you haven't tried this and you're concerned with the eye area, then this is a must, because you see quite quick results with this. It contains peptides, vitamin A, arginine, which help to improve the appearance of the eye area. So it helps with the fine lines that often it's the first signs of aging around the eyes. It helps with plumpness, helps with thickness, it helps with hydration. And then your freebies. So basically you purchase these products and then you get a free full-size Revival mask. Revival mask, if you haven't tried it, is a must in your routine because it gives instant results but also long-term results. So it really is a multitasking mask. We're going to be setting a skin challenge in November with this mask, because most of you probably will have your sets by then, with how to incorporate it if it's new to you, because you get the best results when you use it regularly, as with most skincare. So we're going to be going through this on the Zoom event, but also we're going to be doing a bit of a skin challenge with this mask so that you can see the results when you use it continuously. So Revival mask is a a combination of 3 peptides which help to lighten, tighten and brighten. So if you're concerned with the texture of your skin, it's really smooth and it tightens pores. If you're concerned with like the firmness of your skin, it helps to tighten. And if you're concerned with the brightness, so if it's looking a little bit dull, which sort of this time of year as the seasons change sometimes can do, then this is the mask for you. It is nicknamed a facelift in a jar because literally it makes your skin tight, bright, firm. And then you also get 2 minis, so you get your essential rad SPF and you get your essential at this time of year the tripeptide moisturiser, which is a peptide serum or moisturiser which you can add on to your routine just to supercharge your results with regard to making the skin more youthful. So this is the Healthy Skin box. So you get a 3 full-size revival mask, customisable, and you get 3 2 minis as well. So that is the first box. Next up is for those of you that use the Youth EssentiA range. So with this range, you use 2 products together to sort of create your moisturiser. So in this box, you get your cleanser and toner in the Youth EssentiA range. You get your serum, so depending which level you're on, you can customise this. And you get your defence creme, which again is customisable, which depending which one you use. For those of you, if you're intrigued in trying the Youth EssentiA range, this is probably a good time to do it because you get a free full-size elixir, which in itself is worth over £70, maybe £80. So that's I mean, it's worth it for that. The difference with these moisturisers compared to your AVFT is that these have got more peptides, they've got a different type of vitamin A, you get a bit of a quicker result. So if you've got more deeper lines and wrinkles, if you've got more pigment on your skin and you want in that result a bit quicker, then this might be the option for you. So this is the Youth EssentiA box. And then we have the Prime and Prep set, which again is this is actually quite a nice gift because of the price point. So with the Prep and Prime, this is sort of like a facial in a box for at home. So with this you get the pre-cleansing oil, the clay mask, and a sort of mini hydrating oil capsules. So again, on the Zoom event we're going to be going through how best to use these together, because some quite nice ways to do like a bit of a mini facial with these products, which I know a lot of you, especially this time of year, as your skin maybe needs that little bit extra, you might want to start to do some treatments in between your in-clinic treatments, or if you don't live locally and you want to do an at-home treatment. So pre-cleansing oil, brilliant for taking your makeup off, but we can also use it as a micro exfoliant when combined with the clay mask. This is a multitasking mask to absorb oil, to add hydration and to help with as a micro exfoliation. And then you've got the hydrating oil capsules, which give your skin instant hydration and help to energize the skin. So again, nice and brightening on your skin. Great for a special occasion because the next day your makeup just glides on like silk. So this is the Prime and Prep. We've not got that many of these ones left, so if you are wanting to get your hands on one of these, do it quick because there's not many left. And then last but not least, in this drop of Christmas boxes, we have got, which we've never done one of these before, the Body Essential Complete Set. So with this one, you buy the new contour cream, which if you haven't tried this has been a super popular product. I think the reason being that it can be used both on your body and on your face. So this is a lifting firming cream. So if you're concerned with the jowl area, we've had some really good results with this. If you're concerned with sort of tightening the skin on the finger wings, again this is a good one to include to give some firmness in the skin. If you're wanting to tighten the skin on the buttocks, on the thighs, on the stomach, all those areas that you want a bit more firmness, tightness, then this is a good one to incorporate. So you buy this one and you buy the ACE body oil, which also can be used on your face if you want a higher dose of vitamin A, so sort of level 4, level 5, you can use this on your face, which is quite nice as an extra little boost of hydration. So you buy these 2 and then you get a free full-size Dermalac lotion, which, oh my goodness, if you've not tried this, this is one of my hero products. It's, again, you can use it in so many different ways. Brilliant on the body as your exfoliator, so if you like to wear false tan, you definitely need this because it helps your tan to fade nice and gradually. Contains lactic acid just to melt away the dead skin cells. And if you can use it on your face also, if you want to use it as a toner, or if you want to just use it as a bit of an exfoliation treatment. Brilliant for rosacea skins, brilliant if you just need a little bit of extra helping hand with the smoothing of the texture, if you get any congestion, this is a really good product. Oh, and pigmentation as well, this can be a really good one. So you get that free, a full size, so that is a really, really good kit. I am also going to show you, but I'm going to do that on the next IGTV. We have got the Advanced Nutrition Programme gift sets as well, which are really, really good again this year. So that's just a quick rundown of the boxes. If you've got any questions, get in touch. We have got limited numbers. Some of them have got just a few left. Some of the bigger boxes we've got a few more. And keep your eyes peeled for our Zoom event, which will be being launched very soon. Lovely to see you all. Take care. Bye.